So unfortunately, my video for this week that I originally had planned didn't work out, technicalities and difficulties, but at any rate, I have the code snippets here video in the meantime. Basically, this is just showing off my debug process of a very interesting bug I found in a live stream while I was updating my Minecraft mod Chance Cubes. This is the same mod that was featured in the last code snippets video about Minecraft, and actually pertains to that schematic system that I talked about there as well. But anyway, a little backstory is that I'm trying to get the schematic system to save the blocks in the world to a file, and I was coming across an issue with tile entities, which are basically just extensions of block data that the blocks themselves can't really show off in a good way. So they have tile entity data for like inventories and whatnot, and I was not getting any tile entities for a given block at the position. The interesting bit that you'll see me kind of reference is that the commands work. So if I run a command and I get the tile entity through that command, it does work, but the schematic system as it is did not. So it was a very interesting debug process. I thought the solution I found was also very interesting and funny and just kind of dumb, and I thought this would make an interesting little code snippets video. So I might interlude in the future to kind of give you a little more backstory or a little more insight to what's happening, but anyway, I'll let the video play out. You'll see my whole debug process to this and how I kind of approached this issue, so hopefully seeing that also helps you. But I'll let the video play, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Create. It's a chest, but the tile entity there is null. How is the tile entity null? It's a chest. Is it not the right world, or like... But like, if I run this via a command, and I do this exact same thing via that command, it gives me a tile entity. I guarantee you they're the exact same world, probably same world objects. If I do this, and I go to the commands that I probably closed, go to here, ctx, get source, guarantee you I do this, it's gonna give me the exact same world object. Exact same object. How? Alright. If we get a chest here and it says it's a tile entity and it gives me data, I'm gonna be really mad and going, what the heck? Chance cubes. Test. Chest. Tile entity chest. What more do you want from me? Like, I don't know what to do now. If the game refuses to accept that's a tile entity. It's in the current thread. Wait. Wait, is this done in the main thread? Wait, that might be the issue. Hold on, wait, that might actually be the issue. I don't think this is done on the main thread. Oops, not that. Yes, I know, okay, I know you work. This might not allow them to exist outside the main thread. Create, okay. If I... We're not on the right thread. We're not on the right thread? Are you serious? I'm gonna have to schedule it. Yeah, that's the only thing I can do. I have to schedule it. Hold on. Wait. Chance cubes might save me here. Wait. I can hack the heck out of this. Create schematic. Stuff this all inside of a task. Scheduler. Schedule task. New task. Whoa, okay. Put that in there. Needs a name and a delay. So name is going to be schematic. Creation. a tick delay of 1. This will put it onto the main thread because of how this works. It's dumb. But I don't have much choice right now. It's dumb as heck. But it'll work. So if you didn't catch what the issue was, basically in one of the newer updates to Minecraft, they added a check for the thread in the getTalently method, so that the getTalently method will not return a talently unless you are on the main thread. Unfortunately, because of how the schematic system works, it actually runs off of the UI thread because it triggers when you press the button. It's all client side, it just is what it is, that's just how I kind of initially set it up. Unfortunately though, that's not the main thread. So if you remember back to the last code snippets video, if you watch that, in chance cubes I have with this task system, which allows me to kind of spawn blocks in at different time intervals. That's actually hooked up to the world tick event, which is, I do that so that way it's kind of synced with the game time. That way if the game is running slow or fast, it catches that tick and it's triggered correctly. Well, because of that, that runs on the main thread. So what I do is that when they press the button, I actually schedule this entire schematic creation 1 tick delay, so that way the task system picks it up and delays it by 1 tick, then runs, which then puts it onto the main thread. It's a very, very kind of roundabout way, but it works and it solves my problem for now. Maybe I'll redo it in the future, who knows, but at any rate, you'll see here in a second, it does actually fix the issue, and it's just kind of one of those code solution fixes that just happens to work and it happens to solve it. It might not be an elegant solution, but at the end of the day, it works, and as much as I might hate it myself, it just works. And honestly, it's not too far off from how a traditional system that would change threads of certain logic actually works. So anyways, I'll let the rest of this video play out, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Again, not traditional video, but it's something to fill the time and something I found interesting. So at any rate, I'll let the rest of it play out, and I'll see you guys all later. Peace. Schematic. Create. If this works. Oh, that chest needs to go, by the way. I want that chest. Please don't work. Don't work. It works. It works!